The Hyderabad-based private sector firm Aditya Precitech Private Limited has handed over the first airborne self-protection jammer pod to DRDO's Defence Avionics Research Establishment. The DRDO will now conduct the ground trials of the airborne self-protection jammer pod in December 2021, and the private sector company will provide a total of 8 prototypes of the airborne self-protection jammer pod for final rounds of flight testing from Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force, and after successful completion of user trials, it will be integrated on the Su-30 Tejas Mark I and Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. The DRDO-developed pod will address advanced and emerging threats using the latest digital software-based and active electronically scanned array technologies, and will provide enhanced airborne electronic attack capabilities to disrupt, deny and degrade enemy air defense and ground communication systems. DRDO's Vehicles Research Development Establishment has already delivered 16 BMP-2-based Armored Engineer Reconnaissance Vehicle to the Indian Army after rigorous trials. The contract for another 53 Armored Engineer Reconnaissance Vehicle under regular series production has been awarded to the Ordnance Factory Board and Bharat Electronics Limited. The Armored Engineer Reconnaissance Vehicle is designed to meet the tactical and combat requirements of military engineers for carrying out terrestrial and underwater surveys in hostile terrains. In a major boost for the Indian Air Force, 5 new landing strips have been proposed in Jaishankar and Ladakh regions, and this decision comes amid the prevailing situation along the line of control and line of actual control. It is expected that the first landing strip will come up in Srinagar, that will focus on the line of control with Pakistan. Amid the rapidly changing geopolitical and geostrategic scenarios, the Special Forces of Pakistan, Azerbaijan and Turkey have started the Three Brothers Joint Military Exercise 2021, with the main objective to improve the preparedness and tactical readiness of their special forces units during combat operations, increase interoperability and exchange knowledge and best practices. Addressing a press conference after the India-Australia 2+2 dialogue, the Indian Foreign Minister has said that a term like NATO was a looking-back term, and the Quad Group is the way forward. The two countries are also exploring new areas in the field of artificial intelligence and unmanned vehicles, and Australia has also invited India to join its Talisman Sabre exercise in 2023, which is the largest bilateral combined training exercise between the Australian Defence Force and US military. Boeing India president has said that more than 275 Indian suppliers are providing advanced components, sub-assemblies and software support for some of Boeing's most advanced aircraft. Boeing Aerospace Limited has been producing aerostructures for Boeing's Apache helicopter, including fuselages, secondary structures and vertical spar boxes for global customers. Tata Advanced Materials has delivered composite panels for the power and mission equipment cabinets and auxiliary power unit door fairings for the Boeing P-8I aircraft. The TAL Manufacturing Solutions has also provided ground support equipment for the C-17 Globemaster III strategic airlifter. The Hyderabad-based space technology startup Skyroot Aerospace has become the first private company to formally enter into an agreement with ISRO for using its expertise for testing and qualifying their space launch vehicle systems and subsystems, and also access facilities to test and qualify its small rocket ahead of launch in 2022.